Once upon a time in the bustling world of finance, there was a group of 30 industrious companies. They were like a band of financial superheroes, each with its unique powers and contributions to the economy. They decided to join forces and create something remarkable, a way to measure the overall health of the stock market. They named this creation after two of their heroes, Charles Dow and Edward Jones, and thus, the Dow Jones Industrial Average, DJIA, was born. It's like the Avengers, but for finance. Now, the Dow Jones isn't just a single number, it's a sum of the individual prices of those 30 superhero companies. These companies come from various industries, like technology, healthcare, and finance, representing the heartbeat of the American economy. Imagine you're at a family reunion, and everyone's bringing their famous dishes. The Dow Jones is like adding up the deliciousness of all those dishes to create a family average taste. If more people love Aunt Tech's famous tech pie this year, the overall family taste goes up. Every day, the Dow Jones gets up, has its cup of economic coffee, and starts dancing on the stock market dance floor. If the superhero companies are doing well, the Dow Jones goes up, and if there's a bit of trouble in the financial universe, it might take a dip. People all around the world tune in daily to check on the Dow Jones. It's like the weather forecast for the financial world. Will it be a sunny day of rising stocks, or will a financial storm be brewing? So, there you have it, the Dow Jones, a gathering of financial superheroes telling us the story of how well our economic family reunion is going. And just like any good story, it has its ups and downs, but it keeps us all engaged in the thrilling tale of the stock market.